top PMP communities and forums for networking and insights. Project.Management.com, as an official PMI, Project Management Institute, platform, Project.Management.com is a treasure trove of resources tailored for PMP certified professionals and aspirants. It offers webinars, templates, and discussion boards, enabling members to collaborate and learn from each other. Reddit/Project Management. Reddit/Project Management is a vibrant forum for project management enthusiasts. From PMP exam preparation tips to real-world project scenarios, this subreddit covers a wide range of topics. LinkedIn groups. PMP-project management professional LinkedIn groups provide a professional setting for discussions among PMP-certified individuals and aspirants. The PMP-project management professional group is one of the largest and most active. The PM Prepcast Forum Overview run by Cornelius Fickner, the creator of the PM Prepcast. This forum is a go-to resource for PMP exam aspirants. It focuses on exam preparation, offering advice, study tips, and clarifications on PMP topics. PMHub.net. PM Hub is a specialized forum for PMP exam prep and project management discussions. It has been a trusted resource for years, offering an active Q&A section for PMP aspirants. PMI chapter communities. Local PMI chapters offer an excellent way to connect with like-minded professionals in your region. These chapters host in-person and virtual events, workshops, and meetups. Discord channels for project managers. While not as traditional as forums, Discord has several communities dedicated to project management. These servers are ideal for real-time chat and networking. Conclusion. In conclusion, engaging with these communities and forums can provide you with the tools, insights, and support needed to excel in project management.